Teachers Day, sir. I wish I could be there with you, celebrating the Teachers Day just like the old golden days. I know one video is not enough to express my gratitude and respect towards you, but whatever you did for me, what am I today and where am I today is just because of you. More than anything else, you are my mentor, my inspiration, my motivation, and even played the role of my parent, which no one did for me. Thank you, sir, for always being there for me, standing behind me, motivating me, and inspiring me that I can do something in my life. I'm so grateful and proud that I am your student, and I promise that I will never let you down. Once again, happy Teachers Day, sir.
Thank you for the lessons related to the subject, related to the life. Thanks for motivating us and showing the right path to do something and support the family. I know I'm not there, but I'm missing those days when I used to do something with whole class and senior, only to see smile on your face. So physically I'm not there, but the love and respect is always toward you is the same, whatever the place, it doesn't matter. So thanks for everything, sir, and once again.
Happy Teachers Day, sir. A teacher is not only someone who inspiring knowledge, but also someone who inspire us to dream big, work hard, and believe in yourself. You guide us, being a light that show us the path of success and value in life. I feel truly blessed to have a mentor like you who shape not just minds but also shape our character. So thank you, sir, and thank you for everything. And once again, happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teacher Day, sir. There is big role of teacher behind the success of every student, because for betterment of student, a teacher leave everything and provide knowledge to a student. As a student, whatever I till today, because both of you, and I want to dedicate a mantra to both of you. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Nama. And once again, happy Teacher Day, sir, and thank you, sir.
You are far but close to my heart. You not only teach how to be a topper, but also teach the real lessons of the life to be success. Today, whatever I am studying here only for you, your support and your guidance. So on this special day, I promise to both Sufyan sir and Raghib sir, I'll never let you down. I'll work hard and definitely make you proud with my success. So with this, wishing you a very happy Teachers Day, both of you, sir. Thank you.
You are the teachers who always keep the student first and then the others. Who never compromise with their classes. For me, you are not just the teachers, but also you are the true inspirations and the role models. Happy Teachers Day, sir. Sir, you are more than the teacher. For me, you are a guider, you are a mentor, and you are a parent as well. And I am the lucky to found you as a teacher. Once again, happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day to both of you. And you are not only the teacher but also the parent to me. And you have supported to me in every stage, in study, in education, and even the life lesson also. And whatever I am learning today because of your guidance. And dear sir, you are our guide, mentor, and our inspirations also. And today I want to make a promise on behalf of all the students. हम सब आपके सपने को ज़रूर पूरा करेंगे, क्योंकि आपके मेहनत एंड आशीर्वाद ही हमारे सबसे बड़ी ताकत है. So once again, thank you for everything and wishing you a very happy Teachers Day.
Teacher is not just someone who gives us lessons, but someone who leaves a part of their life in every student's life. They don't teach us subjects, they teach us how to see life with courage and hope. Teachers are the silent architecture of teachers shaping lives with patience and love. We may not say always, but every success we achieve has your guidance behind it. सर आपने हमें सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स बड़े बड़े पूरा भी कर पाते हैं। आपकी गाइडेंस हमें हमेशा याद रहेगी। थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
So there is again Teachers Day is here. First of all, happy Teachers Day, sir. Thank you for your guidance, motivation, and inspiration. And your teaching not just shaped my learning but also my characters. And thank you so much, sir. Sir कहूँ, mentor कहूँ, parents कहूँ, एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड नहीं मिलता आपको डिफाइन करने के लिए. सो मैंने आपके लिए 2 लाइन लिखा है दैट चाहे हम दूर हैं हर एक स्टेप में आप ही का याद आता है, जो भी सीखा है उसमें आप ही का हाथ है. आपके गाइडेंस के बिना मैं कुछ भी नहीं सोच पाती हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर द बेस्ट गाइडर और मेंटर आई एवर मीट एंड एवर हैड. थैंक यू सो मच सर. एंड मैं जितना भी गलतियाँ करूँ, चाहे आप डांटें जो भी करें, लेकिन एज अ गाइडर मेरे साथ हमेशा रहे. Thank you so much, sir. And happy Teachers Day again. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to wish you a happy Teachers Day, sir. On this special occasion, we regret that we are not physically present in front of you. But please know that, sir, you are always in our heart. You have consistently supported us in every chapter of our lives, no matter the circumstances. Thank you for shaping us into who we are today and for being such a wonderful teacher in our life. Once again, wishing you a happy Teachers Day.
From the bottom of my heart, I really want to thank you for everything that you have done for me. You are not just only a teacher, you are my parent, my true guide in my life, my inspiration. Because of your guidance, your encouragement, your motivation, I have achieved a lot of things in my life that I ever believe on me that I can do that thing. But just because of you, I made those things possible. You always treat me like your own daughter with your care, love, patience. That always encouraged me to do something new things, like you can do that. And just because of that, I can do a lot of things. And I am also going to achieve a big thing in my life that only possible just because of you. So you keep a strong belief in me that I ever believe myself that I can do those things. You didn't teach me only those lessons from my book. You taught a lot of things like how to respect everyone, how to be calm, quiet, and have patience to achieve something. I always carry those things in my heart whenever and wherever I go. I can't express those feelings and emotions that I have for you in my heart. I can't express those with my words. But इतना बोलने के बाद मुझे बस यही बोलना है, इस लाइफ में मेरा स्टूडेंट का जर्नी ख़त्म हो गया है, जो कि मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि आपके साथ ये मेरा जर्नी ख़त्म हो. पता भी नहीं चला कॉलेज लाइफ कहाँ से कहाँ तक ख़त्म हो गया. पर ऑनेस्टली मैं गॉड से बस यही प्रे करती हूँ कि मेरा इसके बाद जितना भी स्टूडेंट लाइफ है, बस उस लाइफ में मुझे आप चाहिए एज माई टीचर. मुझे आपको ही मैं बस यही चाहती हूँ कि आप मुझे अपने गुरु के रूप में लेना चाहती हूँ, और हमेशा आपका ब्लेसिंग हमारे साथ रखिए. और ये मैं प्रॉमिस करती हूँ कि आप जो बिलीव हमारे ऊपर रखते हैं, कभी भी मैं उसको ब्रेकडाउन होने नहीं दूँगी. बस यही मेरा वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर्स डे सर, एंड थैंक यू very much for being a special part of my journey and make my life so easy.
साथ रमे ना मिसरी कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, तुझे प्रीत पुरानी मिसरी मस्त मौला